Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Lexus NX 300h E-CVT with the benefit of both a 2.5 litre petrol engine and an electric motor to boost your fuel economy, making it an ideal city commuter. We also have the four-wheel drive, improving driving performance all year round. The stunning black paint is enhanced by the chrome window surrounds, black grille, privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and we also have the 18-inch bi-colour alloy wheels, finishing off the car beautifully. This car benefits from the LED low beam and high beam headlights with auto high beam and LED daytime running lights, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. We also have keyless go, park assist sensors in the front and rear, alleviating any of your parking worries, as well as a powered tailgate to the rear, opening up to give you a spacious boot. With boot lighting, and just underneath the boot floor we also have the Space Saver spare wheel. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, ISOFIX points on the outside too, and a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders. As you enter the cabin of the car, you are greeted by the eye-catching part black and part red leather upholstery, pairing perfectly with the decorative door and dash inserts, making the car look sleek and stylish. And brightening up the cabin of the car, we have the fixed panoramic sunroof. Adding to the luxury and comfort of every drive, we have the electrically adjustable and heated front seats with two-way electrical lumbar support adjustment for the driver. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive. The steering wheel is also heated, making those cold winter mornings that little bit better. The multifunction helps you safely and easily control the central interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 8-inch display screen with the remote touch interface, featuring the likes of Bluetooth connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist, DAB digital radio, giving you access to a wider range of radio stations, satellite navigation for all those unknown roads, and other car settings. Ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable, this car also features dual climate controls. Just below we have this James Bond style clock, the stop start go button, the climate controls function, as well as the heated seats controls, which are 3-way heated. Just in between the front seats we have the automatic gear stick as well as the electronic parking brake, the touchpad for the infotainment device, the cup holders for both you and your front seat passenger, and just underneath the armrest we have additional storage space as well as wireless charging and your USB ports. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.